As a global creative leader and UNESCO Media Arts City, Austin has a long tradition of engaging the community in creative and unexpected ways. Shadowing, a temporary media art installation created by artists Jonathan Chomko and Matthew Rosier, gives memory to city streetlights, enabling them to record and play back the shadows of those who pass underneath them.
We're out here on Monroe Street in Austin, Texas. The installation Shadowing is behind us, and it's one of 6 locations here in Austin, Texas, and it's an installation that captures shadows and plays them back. So when you walk into this light, you see the shadow of the person who's there before you, and that walks beside you, and then when you leave the light, your shadow walks after you. And so the hope is that this is something that people get used to. They kind of learn that it's here, and as they walk by it, they leave a little something for the next person. They, do a cartwheel or a flip or wave to somebody,
That is so weird. What is that?
Working with Art in Public Places in Austin has been very good. They've taken a lot of the steps to make this thing happen before I even got on board. They did a lot of location scouting before we were here. There should be in the back, there should be a bunch of cables, and working with the energy company. So like my experience with this was just kind of coming in and installing it, and it was pretty seamless. Yeah, now it's working. I think this piece is going to work really well here. I think if it's going to work well in Texas, it's going to work well. Like, Austin's the place.
Shadowing is a temporary art installation that's up now through March 18th, so come discover it while you can. Learn more at austintexas.gov/playableaustin.